Welcome to Foshan Runda Racking Manufacturing Co., Limited. We are an industry and trade integrated shelving enterprise. Since 1991, rooted in Guangdong, China, dedicated to the development of the shelving industry. With over 30 years of experience, Runda now boasts 3 large-scale factories, with a total area of over 30,000 square meters, offering a variety of over 1,000 types of shelving products. Our main products include supermarket shelves, convenience store shelves, pharmacy shelves, heavy-duty supermarket shelves, footpost shelves, steel and wood combination shelves, warehouse racking, bin racking, attic racking. We have CE, ISO 9001, and other certificates, and our products have passed quality tests. Inspection the company's main production and operation. Supermarket shelves, convenience store shelves, steelwood shelves, cosmetic shelves, storage shelves, beam shelves, cantilever shelves, loft platform, steel structure shelf, etc. Runda Shelf adheres to the tenet of high quality, low price service first, and has won the trust and support of our customers. The products sell well in domestic and overseas markets.
Hello, everyone. Today, we'll introduce our Runda Shelf here, and to say some story how our the magic making from this shelf. And by the way, my name is James, and I'm really glad to introduce this factory today for you. And if you have any plans to start your business, kind of like souvenirs, convenience store, supermarket, or warehouse, feel free to take a look and you will find some answers from this factory. So please follow my step and go in. Hello everyone. Good afternoon everyone. And my name is James. And I'm really glad to be here to introduce our factory, Runda Shelf here. And I have few questions for you. And the one question is, have you have any plan to start your business like convenience store, phone store, or the beauty shop, or also supermarket or warehouse? And if you have this kind of ideas, and you will get some answers from this show, and with a reasonable price and high qualities. So why not to take a step in, and I will give you some more details. And everyone will have the same question. It's like, what is the Runda Shelf? The reason why we need to choose these factories to be our suppliers, and I will give you three main reasons. The first reason is we have a long history, over 30 years manufacturing shell experience, so we can provide you a really professional and high quality products. And the second reason is our large scale high tech factories. We have like 50,000 meters, square meters, and we have 200 workers. And by the way, we also have a 500 half auto machines to produce our good high quality and good conditions. And the third reason is we have several quality certifications, and which be such as like CE, ISO certification by the third party. So trust us, I won't make you down. Hello, this is our first place in this area. As you can see, this is our warehouse, and our warehouse has like 3,000 square meters, and that will be that will be enough for our regular shelf and to satisfy our customers' needs, the urgent needs. If you want the shelf need a really short time and we can satisfy that. It's just like because we have a lot of stock here and we will deliver it directly into your country. No need production time. So as you can see, these areas is all going to load the container today. And we load the containers almost every day. So the product in our factory is really hot sale. And as you can see, I just mentioned that this is our warehouse. And we have a lot of door. And can you see closer? And we have like 3 levels of the warehouse rack and make by our own. And we can load many products from this warehouse rack. So don't need to worry about uh, the speed or the stock we don't have. We all have a plenty of the stock in order to satisfy your needs. Okay, let's go step in and I will introduce something new. As you can see, all race around, and this all will load the container today. And we have a one truck outside is planning to go to the port. As you can see, we have a many kind of like the packing stop or packing weight, and this one is our carton packing. And let's go and take a look. This is later you will see the truck there. Can you see? This is a lot of goods and made by our own. It's also really top sell, and this one is upright, which means the feet of our shelf. And this one is our shelves, and this is our the levels, and we can put all the goods on it and that kind of things. This is our good qualities contain, and we will pack it in a perfect way to ensure your products won't be easily damaged during the delivery. And we can see there are 2 free trucks there, and this one is it's almost full there, and it's ready to delivery today. And you can see, even we have a large scale or large size of our warehouse size, we also need more space because we have a lot of goods here, and we also provide you if you need it. If you want to load the container in our factories, we will offer you like 2 or 3 days the storage areas for your other products, and you can feel free to load your own containers and our goods in my factory. Okay, so this is our warehouse, the raw materials, to introduce more details for you. So let's go in. Hello. Uh, Additionally, we have the actual service, just I said. We will have an actual service for the customers when they needed their goods from the other factories, and they also want to load the container in our factories. And we will offer some areas to this kind of customers and put their stop here. And as you can see, we have a free warehouse, and that one is one of our warehouse, as you can see. And this one is also really large and stock our others customers products. And also you can see there's another one, and this one is another one too. So we have the free warehouse to stock the all kind of the our sales, our factory products, and also can give you some service. And by the way, if you are in the US, and if today is your load container day, and you will get your products in the 45 days, and if you in the Philippines or the Thailand or Vietnam or some countries next to the next to China, so you can take, it will take like 30 days to deliver to your hands. So if you from the Europe, and it also will take like around 45 days. So it's really quick speed to deliver our goods to your hand. So no worry about the delivery time is so long. We have a really professional team to guarantee or to make sure the delivery time will be short. Okay, the second place is our raw materials here, and we will start from the raw materials into the final finished products at the end. So let's take a, but before we start, and I want to introduce more. And do you know how many steps to produce one perfect shelf at the end? Some factory will say to be like 5 or 6 steps to produce shelf, but our factories have a high quality of the production or the production step. We use 8 steps to production the good qualities. The reason why 8 step is really important compared with the 5 or 6 steps, I will tell you later when doing this journey. So I will tell you that the first step is the raw material. This is the raw material. And the second step, we will make the raw materials punching. Punching will make some design and make some shape. And after the punching, we'll have a bending skill. After the bending skill, we will be a welding skill. And after welding, we will go to the acid washing and the rust removal areas. And after the rust removals, we will go to the fox fitting places. After fox fitting, we will make painting. After painting, we will pack all your stuff in a whole boxes. So now let's take a look at our raw material qualities. You can take a look and to see this is our raw materials, and we use import standardized Q25 Q235 steel, and we promise we never ever use the second hand or the waste steels to produce our product in order to make sure our quality is really high. And that's why many customers saying the good shelf made by Runda and bending. Okay, this is our first places, and this is also my one of the favorite parts of mine. And you can see the machine behind me. And let's guess what kind of the part in our shelf they are making. And I will introduce you. This is a half auto machine from our factory. So why not to take a step in and take a look closer. And this is what I said. This is our steel, and this is also standardized steel 235Q. This is the high quality steel and good for the shelf. And you can see this will pull into the machine here. And do you know what they are doing here? They are doing exactly the second step I said. They are doing the punching. The punching. The machine's down, and the shape of this steel will have. And you can see after this machine to go here, and the shape and the holes there already there. So this is the punching. And after punching for this machine, they are telling us how they are doing some bending. So after pinching, right, the design is already there, and then and we will do the bending. And after bending, we have the cut machine here to make it piece by piece. And after cutting it, and we will have one workers here to make another bending. So we have two bending in these shelves. One is from machine, one is from our worker. So as you can see, what they are doing is from the raw materials into our half finished product here. So this is exactly the one we always use from our shelf. This is the shelves, and you can see how perfect it is from this machine. And it will make out by our Runda shelf, and also have a high quality and a beautiful shape. So believe us, I won't make you down for this shelf and for the other part. Okay, let's go to the another places to introduce you more. Our next stop is the buildings workshop in our factories. Let's get what it is for this kind of things. And I will give you some example, and you can guess what is that. So, can you recognize what is this part is for? This kind of the product, we call that suggestion bar, and it will fix our shelf to make our shelf have a bigger load. So that's why we are really confident our shelf have heavy dusty and they can load heavy goods, kind of like 120 low capacity. We also really confident because of the strengthened bar here. The one I just recommend you from that from that area is the shell, right? It's exactly like this one. This is exactly the shell that we made from this half automatic machine. And you can see this one is the empty, right? And for this shell, it will be like easier to breaking and it's not really strong. But if we put the strengthened bar here and into these areas and these areas, it will make our shelves stronger and bigger low capacity. The reason why we always say uh, uh, like how many low we have, because we every year we will put a lot of money to our R&D, which means like research and development money. And this is also our advantage to make sure we have a good quality for our customers. And over like 1,000 testings, we develop like three kind of this strengthened bar and fix for different kind of shelf. And for the small shelves, and we will put a smaller strengthened bar, and this will be low like 45 to 60 kilogram per level. And if for the heavy dusty shelf, we will pick the large strengthened bar into our shelf to make sure our products can load 120 kilos per meter per level. So you can see here the workers is starting to building, and you will combine the shelf and the strengthened bar in this machine. And you can see the strengthened bar here is already on the shelf. It's all made by this machine. And as you can see, this strengthened bar is a really stylish thing. But a lot of factories, they didn't explain you more for this strengthened bar. And maybe they will tell you how many loads they have, just like 200 kilogram per level, or really higher low capacity but low price. You need to very be careful about this price and their quality, because we are because our low capacity is testing for 1,000 times. So we are really confident to tell you the low we say to you. This is exactly the low we can load for the capacity. So that's why the reason many customers saying our low is really high quality, because we are testing and we're not afraid of testing. And that's why a lot of customers choosing our factory, Runda Shelf. The next place is our active washing and a phosphating workshop. As you can see, they have a 13 water pool behind me, and it will doing the acid washing and phosphating. As you can see, the one I hold it, this one is the square tube. It will be the into our upright, and the hooks will be on it. So this is the finished product. And after the step we're showing, it's like punching, bending, and wielding. Final, it will be like this square tube. And we will put all the square tube and our all shelf into the acid washing pool, and to mix it the rub removal. So I will go in and you can see how it is for the water pool. Okay, by the way, our acid washing and phosphating workshop is environmentally friendly because we do a really good job for our wastewater solutions. And I'm so believe that it's not many factories to do a really well wastewater solution. So because if you wanted to this step, and it's well really costly, and because of the wastewater treatment. But in our factories, we're doing this because exactly because of this waterproof, it will make our shelf last for long and protect our shelf to in a good condition. And I will tell you why the acid washing is really important and really the key things. Because 2 years ago, one of my customers, he said and he complained to me a few years ago, he buy his shelf and from the other factory, and he realized that his shelf is rust because of the haven't have an acid wash. And after that, I realized of that, and I explained to him, and he trust me one time at that time, and then he ordered the shelf from our factory, and nowadays he already ordered like 60,000, 60 millions every year from these factories because we're doing a really good job for the exit washing or the bending or the punching and also buildings. So we will won't make you down, and you can feel free to trust us to do the best job and the best show and best product for you. And you can see what they are doing is washing through this waterproof. And uh, in these areas, they are doing like phosphating, and it will do the rough removal. And again, I want to explain more. For this wastewater, we do a really good job for the solution. So it won't make this water to pollute our environment. Just like we said, this one, we're doing it in an environmentally friendly solution way. So don't need to worry about the pollution. We do it well. Because of the exit washing, it's really costly, as I said. So that's why you need to take really carefully. If some shell factory they give you a really low price, and you need to take many care about that because maybe they won't have the washing, they won't have phosphating, they only like doing painting. That's it. So it will be easy to rub. But in our shell, we have the 30 years to manufacturing shell. We all make the washing and the phosphating to make sure your shell, your good will be a really good condition. So let's take a look here. After the washing and the phosphating, I said, and now we are going into our painting and spraying workshop in here. We have the free line, production line of the spraying workshop. And that is the reason why we can support the different kind of colors and your customized colors for your show. If you don't like white and you like the green or purple or gray or the other kind of colors, and you also can decide by your own. And in a short time, because we have free line, right? So we will produce this and spray it really quickly. So that's why I don't need to spending long time for spraying. And it's also is the high temperatures spraying in this workshop to make sure our painting and spraying is really good qualities. And just like the many customers saying, choose the color you like, choose Runda Shelf. Okay, now after the washing and painting, now we are going into the quality testing areas and the packing areas in here. And as you can see, we have a several over 10 years experience for the quality testing. And 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 this manager is the quality testing manager. They are doing the quality testing, and he is our quality inspector to make sure our product is a good condition. And also, exactly because of them, we have a really low detective rate. It's kind of like 0.01% our detective rate. So don't need to worry about our quality. And we will make sure every quality and every product is will be all right to ship to you. So after this quality testing, and we will saying some like our packing, and we have a high quality cotton packing in here, and we also have several types of our packing stuff. If you are in the US or in other countries, and you can have a different special packing, you just let us know. We will give you the customized the packing style and for your requirements. And no matter for the carton packing, and we also have bubble paper there. As you can see, there have bubble paper, and it can be wrapped our products and safely and good condition and good quality. So quality testing and the packing areas. So let's go to the next step and to see something more details. Okay, this is our next stop, and this is our customized workshop, and it will decide any type, any shade, or any dimension shelf for your need. And I'm really confident to say that we have this customized workshop because this is independent. Because of this workshop, we have a we have independent R&D and have a design powers for our customers. And as you can see, this is the mechanical arms, and you can see them. They are dancing on the steel. And how amazing for this arm to make this kind of art to make our shell so perfect. And you can see it closer. You can come to see closer and how they are dancing on the steel. And I'm really sorry to say that it's not like a show. It's exactly like the artwork, and they are making dancing. This kind of machine is our best dancer in our factories, and to produce any kind of shape, any kind of dimension as you need. And because the reason why we have an independent research and development skill and design power, exactly because of we have 11 engineers to help you to product and help you to design the shell you like, and you will put it into this computer, and this computer will send some data to this arm, and it will do their beautiful job and to make the perfect shell from here. So if you have any idea or any shell or any dimension you need, you just ask Runda. Runda can have a best solution for your need. Okay, after finish our journey from the factory, and now we are going to our showing room. And this is one of our showing room. And we have two showing rooms. This one is our customized product showing room. And as you can see, our brand is here. And you can see that the Chinese name is 润达货架, and the English name is Runda Shelf. And I just asked my boss to give us some discount if you can say it in a Chinese way to say this show, to say this name. This is our brand, and we will give you the actual discount. So now you can, I will teach you some Chinese to how to say in Chinese. So this is like 润达货价. So let's say after me, 润达货价. Okay, remember this, and you will get the actual discount. Okay, and another thing I want to say is that in April we have a Canton fair in Guangzhou. So feel free to visit us and feel free to visit our office and our factory. And now, why not to take a look to our customized products showing room? As you can see here is a really large space of our showing room for our customized products. And we have a lot of many kind of the shelves, no matter like if you are the convenience store, you have a phone shop, and you also have some selling wire, or selling some beauty, or if you have a supermarket, and we can do a lot of customize, as you can see in here. Of course, if you don't know how to make a design for your store or for your supermarket, you also can feel free ask us, and we can do you like 2D or 3D design to make your store or your store supermarket visible and easy to understand how beautiful our shelf into your store looking like. So let's take a look deeply, and we can see here have our heavy dusty shelf in here, and we have a different kind of color for our price tag, and this one is the yellow color, and we also have other color I will show you later. And for this one is our vegetables counter, and we usually put our fruit and our vegetables, and in here it will make it perfect, especially using in supermarket. And also you can take a look in here. Look at this, how amazing, like the glass and the mantle and the lights and combine together to make this show so fancy, and it's also really good for selling some beauty products. And we also can do it through the customized workshop to give you the really good products. And you can see here have a different kind of the products, and for this one it's a really heavy low capacity show, and it's really top sell in Thailand. And this is our one of our customers. They buy this one a lot for their supermarket in his country. So as you can see all the way in here, and this one is our wood and metal design shelf in here, and we also have this wall shelf and for the vegetable and for food, and you can put all the thing in here. And this one is really top sell and popular in China, and also we sell it a lot in Southeast Asia for this kind of shelf, for this kind of wooden shelf. Okay, let's take a look in here. What it is in here is like the beauty shelf, and how to, and let's see that the advantage paper, advantage tab in here, and combine into our shelf here with a light, and with top you can put the vantage paper there, and we can DIY for you for the art you want. And to see that, and this is the island shelf, and this is wash shelf, and we also make a really beautiful design for our cabinet here. And for here too, we have a two design in here. One is you can like pull in and pull out. It's really easier because we put a rail in here to make it easy to put in and put out. And also we have a price, we have a brand brand board here, and you also can do your design to make your brand here to selling your products for this beautiful shelf that we make in the customized workshop. And you can see here, we also produce, make a lot of shelf like chemist shop. As you can see, this one is a small shop, and it's really suitable for the small store and for put our medicine or good in on the top on our shelf. And also this one is also the chemical store. They usually use this kind, and you have a light box on top and cabinet on the bottom, and many layers in here to help you store a lot of goods in here. Okay, and there will be other kinds of design in here, and we sell a really good quality and really popular here, as you can see. And we also can do a many customized if you want it, and if you have idea, feel free to communicate with us, and we will give you idea. We will give you the layout, of course, uh, with a really reasonable price. For this showing room is our second showing room in here. As you can see, it's really bright, and it's really big. Also, there's really big areas showing our products. And this one is our top sales showing room. And we also provide many kind of show, different kind of low capacity to satisfy the any need you need, and such as if you are want to start your business for the convenience store, beauty store, or wine store, or the phone store, or the tool store, hardware store, or supermarket store, or warehouse. And we also have this kind of products to do the one-stop solution for you. So you don't need to worry about to take so long time to find the others suppliers, other factories, uncertainty, the quality. You just can choose us, and we can provide all of the shelf for you, because as you can see, we have 50,000 square meters for the production areas, just we can see before. And let's take a look and to see if you are the convenience store, and we have this kind of product in here and there, and this one is really suitable for loading 30 and 45 kilogram per level, and this is really suitable for the small store. And let's see deeper. And we're also selling, the reason why we said we can do supermarket one-stop solution and big store solution, because we also selling no matter wooden, steel, or the acrylic, or the glass, or the other materials, we also can make it. And we also have a shopping trolley in here we are selling, and we also have a display rack in here we are selling, and we also have the blanket, and also this kind of trolley, and different kind of colors, and you can choose for your store or supermarket. And we're also selling the cashier counters. It's just like in here we are selling the counter. Can you see this cashier counter? And we also selling the workshop for the counters. And you can put wine in here, and you wanted to selling some cigarette or tobacco, and we also selling the pusher and fix into our shelves to make sure it will be really perfect, and everything you need we can provide, and have a light spot there and the cabinet on the bottom to make this set is fantastic. And this kind of also the wall shelf for the convenience store or the small store, and we will use this kind of shelf. Okay, take a look closer, and we are going into the areas for the medium size shelf, and this kind of medium shelf can load 90 to 100 kilogram per level. This is really good quality, and it's also suitable for like 50 to 200 square meters store. You can use this kind of shelf, and this kind is also our top shelf. And you can see here have a cabinet here on the top, and you can store your goods on that, and you can put it like that. So if you think these things is gone and sold out, and you can put your stuff on the top and put it in here. So it's really easier. It's really easy for this one. And also, we also have a heavy dusty shelf. Just we are showing this one, and that one is our heavy dusty shelf, and it can load 120 to 140 per level. So this is also be tested. And just what we say, we have an independent R&D, and we develop a many kind of the shelf. And this one and this type is our new shelf, and produced from our engineering, so our engineer. So we have a really professional team to help you to find a solution to solve your problem. And this kind of shelf is also for the big supermarket, and especially suitable for the 1,000 square meters, over 1,000, over 2,000 square meters. This one is really fix your store. And take a look this one, and this one is really perfect match for the pilot. If you are really worried about how to deal with the pillars, just like this one you wanted to like have more space for your goods, and you don't know how to fix it, and we have a solution in here. And this one will have a mantle and wood shelf to fix it. And you also can choose a full mantle shelf. And for this one, it's also made by our customized workshop, and to do the solving for the pillar, and you can have more space and beautiful areas to selling your good products. Okay, let's take a look deeply, and you can see in here, this one is our area of the wood and mantle shelf, and you can see this is the arm. This is the arm, and this shade is made by our customized workshop. And you can see this one is really perfect design, and it's also made by our engineer, and to make it beautiful. And you can see this is the second type of the wood and mantle shelf. And also you can see this is the wall shelf in here, and also with a light box and cabinet and down, and look at a whole set in here. And by the way, I want to introduce more in here for you. This one is the square tube, and we also selling hooks for our shelf. And you can put your goods and in here. And we also selling all this kind of hook, any dimension hooks. We also selling, and we also selling this one, and you can put your snaps on the top, and it's really popular in overseas. Okay, so in these areas is what I said. It's a wood and mantle shelf, and you can take a big look in here, how it should look like for this design for your store. Don't worry if you have an idea or you don't know how to design, just ask Runda Shelf, and we are really professional, and we will provide you a professional 2D or 3D design for your future store. So just one word. If you have any question and have a plan to do business, open store, just ask Runda Shelf, and we will provide you a good shelf and good quality. Okay, after this video, you like, you can follow us and you can ask us for the products. And of course, I really know you will know this brand as well, Runda Shelf. And we have a really good quality, so that's why the customer always saying, good shelves made by Runda. And as I said, we have two main strengths, as I mentioned. Long-time production and manufacturing experience, 30 years, and we also have a large-scale, high-tech factory, and also have a quality guarantee to make sure everything is good. So if you feel free and interested in it, feel free to visit us and to take a look. You will love this place. And thanks for our customer trust, and bye-bye.